Good morning. Day 2 of the Maine waterfall adventure. We just got packed up and we're back on the road again. And
we're gonna go fuel up any groceries that people might need, and it's always a mystery. We never know where we're gonna go.
Right.
So we might do a place called Quill Hill, which is a big hill. You can see all the Rangeley Lakes and Saddleback, Ski Mountain and stuff, and we might go there. I'm not sure. It's an adventure. So
yeah, we'll find out.
Stay tuned, and you'll know exactly where we went.
So we just made it to the top of Quill Hill, and beautiful day.
Yep, we're gonna get out and show you around.
Well, it's definitely beautiful. Barely windy up here today, and sunny and almost 80 degrees. Beautiful day.
No worries.
This was Small Falls, pretty cool place. A lot of people like to jump from extreme heights. So this is what is known as the Shelton Noise Overlook. Pretty cool view from up here.
We'll make it through that.
So this is height of land.
Yep. Pretty awesome day.
Couldn't ask for better. A little windy, but nice.
Would you like us to take a picture of you?
Sure, no bugs.
What's that?
We're good.
We're good.
Thank you.
So I hope you're enjoying the video so far. I think we have one more stop, and then we're gonna call it a day.
So we'll see you at the next stop.
And we finally made it to our final destination. This is Coos Canyon. Pretty cool sight, especially all the lines in the rocks with the erosion. Yeah, it looks pretty neat, especially on that side over there. Yeah. Pretty cool what we're walking on right now.
Yeah, that's just a guess, but because it's
It's a guess that it might be
cascading
lava.
down, I'm going to guess it's lava.
From way back when. So Coos Canyon was our last stop. If you like the video, please hit that subscribe button and help us get to 1,000 subscribers.
And make sure to hit the notification bell so you'll know when the next video shows up. And this has been one for the books. We got 3 new waterfalls under our belt for this year's annual waterfall adventure. Looking forward to next year for sure. Thanks for watching.